As you can see, I bought my OPPO F11 Pro today, which has 6 GB RAM. So let's open it. It's here, and you will get a cover with it, which is free. So let's turn it on. It's on. At first, I'm going to talk about the network side, which can give you 4G support. Now, the body weight is 190 grams. The front is glass and the body is plastic. It can contain hybrid dual SIM. So its display is quite good. LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. Size is 6.53 inches. Resolution 1018 to 2340 pixels. Platform is Android 9.0. Pie color. Chipset is MediaTek Helio P70. Octa-core CPU Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now memory comes. microSD up to 256 GB usable. Now the most important thing comes, and it's the camera. The main camera is dual and it has 48 megapixel option. Video is 1080 pixel at 30 fps. Selfie camera is pop-up 16 megapixel. Features HDR. Video 1080 at 30 fps. Battery is fine. Non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery. Fast battery charging 20 watt. Now you can turn on the 48 megapixel option here. Right here. If you click on the 48 megapixel option, which is 4:3, then you will be able to use it. It's fine, isn't it? So let's turn on the front camera. So this is the phone. You will get a free cover with it. Thanks for watching.